Hello all, I've come up with another Python script basically to help me extract all the YouTube related videos. So I have multiple playlists and I want to extract all the videos so that I can share it with somebody who is in need. So the best way to do is not go to each video and extract the URL. So I did this for simplification. So let's execute this. Basically, it's gonna ask me to input the playlist. So I'm copying one of the playlist here and I'm pasting and executing. So for simplicity, I have put all my playlist here. So now we can see that it has printed three videos. Now let's execute another ones. Now let me take another playlist. I'm gonna copy and paste and execute. So the previous one said it had three videos and now it says it has 28 videos. So it's gonna output as a comma separated, so it is easy for me to share it to anyone. Thank you. More in the next.